Hi, we're doing a little little video backup of the backup jewelry kit that I bought from Jewelry Renaissance. And as you can see from here, I have two jewelry that I actually really like. These are handmade, but this one broke. And so what I'm going to do is, as you can see right here, it's kind of hard. All you have to do is unfasten this and add this. And what's great about it, it has these extra things. It has for like I don't know if you have a jewelry box and you have a watch or other kind of components of jewelry. There's a little backing thing you can shove it in it. So a lot of times when you drop stuff, the backing, you lose your backing and stuff. That's helpful. A little chain extender. This may not know this, but a lot of like fake jewelry or jewelry that has different components, like jewels, they have these extra little things in the middles and stuff, or right where the backing is. So this is helpful to add on. We have these. And it has and a ring sizer, which is really helpful because we all do until we really buy jewelry, we don't know what our size is. And so having this makes you have an idea of what you need. And you can actually bring it and be like, this is my size. Or, you know, it really helps. So I'm going to pause it. As you can see, this one, I'm going to connect it and show you how it looks. All right, pause. So yeah, as you can see, we now have two. I just unhinged it and then close it up with my hand. Now, if you have jewelry that has links and stuff like that, that's not in the kit, I would suggest just taking it to your neighborhood mall, because a lot of those like little mini watch places has the tools. Some will do it for free, and some will do it as much as $20. If it's more than $20, then that's not a good place, because it takes about 5 minutes at most to fix links or to even add links. Or will they be gold? If you have gold, no. But you know what? If you have a high end, then a lot of times the jewelry place will fix it for you for free. But for this, you know, it's easy, it's fast, and you'll be surprised how much jewelry you do break, especially if it's inexpensive. And if that's like your favorite, or is it something that has like it's handmade like this one, instead of buying like another $10 thing, buy this kit, fix it, and then just keep going with it. A lot of times you can add on to it and make it better, because sometimes things are just, the components are bad. It's the jewelry's not. And the jewelry's not cheap, the components are cheap. So this is really good. I'm going to wear this today. I'm so happy I got this back. And now I can put in my working order. All right. Well, I suggest you try it out. All right.